How to learn art effectively by yourself. Using online resources. Learning art on your own can be a rewarding journey, especially with the vast array of online resources available today. The key to becoming a self-taught artist is discipline, consistency, and making the most of available tools. Start by identifying your goals, whether it's mastering digital art, drawing, painting, or another medium. And focus on foundational skills such as drawing, composition, and color theory. Online platforms like YouTube, Skillshare, and Coursera offer tutorials, courses, and step-by-step guides tailored to different skill levels. Use these resources to learn at your own pace, experiment with techniques, and build a portfolio of your work. Participate in online communities and social media platforms where you can share your progress, receive feedback, and engage with fellow artists. Joining forums, social media groups, and attending virtual art challenges can motivate and inspire you. Consistency is key. Dedicate regular time to practice, study, and refine your craft. Seek constructive feedback, reflect on your work, and embrace mistakes as learning opportunities. With persistence and the right resources, self-taught artists can achieve significant growth and develop their own unique style.